Hey guys, so I've completed the animation and did some editing here, added some sound effects and re-recorded the audio, the AO, and yes, so this is the final thing.
Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Software 101. So we're about to dive into a time-lapse video, and you can find the project files on my Patreon page or my CJ Trader account. And yeah, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
So I also shortened the clip to be about 13 seconds because I thought 30 seconds was too much. So, and this is the final render. Let me switch off all the other overlays and let's preview this.
Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Software 101. So we're about to dive into.
So I'm looking at my OBS and it seems to be very laggy.
Hello there, my name is Ismail.
Let me reduce this even further in the screen size.
Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Software 101.
Okay, so I guess I need to let me also turn on what is it called in the camera settings. So if I go to layout, select the camera, I can turn on alpha only. So sorry, I think it's called the way to switch off everything, I think it's called limits. No, it's not limits. To switch on pass out, yeah. So I just need to set this to 1, and that should also free some memory and make it easier to watch. So let me.
Hello there, my name is Ismail. Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome.
Okay, let's go to video editing.
Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Software 101. So we're about to dive into a time-lapse video, and you can find the project files on my Patreon page or my CJ Trader account. And yeah, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Software 101. So we're about to dive into a time-lapse video, and you can find the project files on my Patreon page or my CJ Trader account. And yeah, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you.
Yeah, so that's it, and thank you for watching.